Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you, small garden ideas for those who limited outdoor space. You might think that a small areas can't be transformed into a beautiful garden, but you had be surprised. In this video we will share some creative and practical ideas to help you make the most of your small outdoor space. Let's get started. One of the best way to maximize a small space in by going vertical. Consider creating a vertical garden using wall mounted planters, hanging baskets or trails. This not only shelves ground space but also add a stunning visual elements to your garden. Containers gardening is perfect for small spaces. Use pots, planters and containers or versus size to grow a vertical or plants for following to herbs and vegetables. You can place them on your patios, balconies or even on window sills. Terrace planters are a great solution for small gardens. They provide multiple levels for planting and can create an organized and aesthetically pleasing garden display. Consider creating a herbs garden wall using small pockets or shelves. This not only adds a fresh and aromatic touch to your outdoor space but it's also practical for cooking. Embrace the world of miniature gardens. Create tiny landscape in containers or small areas like fairy gardens, zen gardens, or succulent gardens. These can be whimsical and add a characters to your space. Using mirror strategy can give the illusions of more space in your garden. Place a mirror on a garden wall to reflect the greenery and make your garden appear longer. Choose space efficiency furniture that can serve a booth, sittings and storage. For example, for a benches or tables with bullet in storage to keep gardening tools or extra cushions. Vertical gardens don't always have to be in containers. You can grow climbing vines or creepers on trails and arch, which not only add beauty but it also create a sense of depth in your garden. Lighting and colors can make a small gardens feel bigger. Use bright and light colored outdoor furniture, accessories and even lighting to open up the space visually. Create a stunning gardens in a small space is all about creativity and making the most of what you have. With the right ideas and a little effort, you can transform your limited outdoor areas into a green oasis that both beautiful and functional. Thank you for watching. If you found these small garden ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring gardening ideas. If you have any question or what you share you want on small garden tips, feel free to leave a comments below.